Hi, I'm Bryony Leonard, the Sector Manager for Engineering and Manufacturing, BTECs and Apprenticeships. This video is designed for those of you who might be interested in a future in the engineering and manufacturing sector, but aren't sure what's involved. The UK's engineering and manufacturing sector employs a significant proportion of the overall UK workforce at 5.66 million in 2016, about 1 in 5, across a wide range of roles including information and communications, aerospace and motorsport. The wide variety of job roles and companies make this sector a very interesting and challenging sector to work in. Work in the engineering and manufacturing sector is available at all levels. You can start in an entry-level role as an operative and work your way up to technician. After a few years of training, you can develop a specialism, perhaps in an area like aeronautics or robotics, and become a senior technician or even an engineer. The more you continuously upskill, the more opportunities will arise, and staying up to date with the latest technology and innovations is the key to staying employable and progressing up the ladder. In order to reach the engineer stage, the usual requirement is the achievement of a related degree or master's qualification, but there are many different routes to this level. People who work in the engineering and manufacturing sector can also apply for professional membership, with the engineering technician status for people who are working in a technician or a senior technician role, progressing up to chartered engineer status. Once you've completed this taster programme, you can make a decision about your next steps, if you decide that a career in engineering and manufacturing is for you. You can look out to either study a BTEC at level 2 or 3. Alternatively, you could look to commence an apprenticeship at level 2 or 3. If you decide to do the BTEC route, you'll benefit from developing a broad foundation across a number of different disciplines. You can learn about mechanical principles, electrical and electronic principles, engineering drawing and project planning, along with a number of optional units and a range of specialisms, all in a safe learning environment where you can take your time and build your knowledge. However, your work experience exposure will be limited. On the other hand, you can choose an apprenticeship. There are a number of new engineering and manufacturing apprenticeships available. At level 2, you could look to become either an engineering operative, a rail engineering operative, or a lean manufacturing operative. At level 3, you can choose to become a mechatronics maintenance technician, a product design and development technician, a fabricator, or a rail engineering technician. The progression routes to a level 4 or a degree apprenticeship are often seamless, and you can develop invaluable work experience by working on the job. Due to recent changes in law, larger organisations are now building new initiatives to take on more and more apprentices every year, but competition is fierce. It will benefit you if you choose a specialism fairly on in your career, but it's okay if you don't know what you're really passionate about at this stage. If you do know what you want to do and you're lucky enough to be selected by an employer, an apprenticeship can be the perfect start to your engineering career.